How to get College Football 25 on mobile. So since we are not able to download College Football 25 via the Google Play Store or the Apple iPhone Store, then we'll have to download the application via a mod or an APK. So for you to download it, just pull up any web browser from your device, and in your search bar, just simply type in apkmodgo.com. And once you're on the website, all you have to do is at the up right portion of your screen, you'll be able to see a magnifying glass, which is going to be your search. Now you'll have to type in college football 25 and tap on go. As you can see, they have an updated version of college football 25. So all you have to do is just tap on this logo right here, download it. The size is only around 3.8 gigabytes, and make sure that you download it. Now, how do you install it? To install it, just like any other APKs that you do have or you do experience, make sure that you allow all unknown resources for the specific application to run. So that's it. That's how you get, or that's how you download College Football 25 on mobile.